This is the Optic Armor MagSafe compatible case from Spigen. And I would like to thank Spigen for sending this product for the purpose of this review. Now let's check what's in the box. It's very impressive that Spigen uses 90% of recycled paper in their packaging. And what we're opening today is for an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's from their MagFit line of cases that is designed for MagSafe use. Right here is a small catalog of their MagFit product collection. Scanning the QR code will bring you to their Amazon storefront. My first impression with this case is that I'm very impressed with its build quality. And there's quite a few writings on this case. One is this one right here, the Aliquid TB Vis. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing it right. But it's a Latin phrase, means do you want something or is there something that you want? And of course the product name, which is placed in here twice. I believe that's the product number, their office location, and it says that this product is made in Korea. And I don't know if you can see it, right on the top left corner, it says air cushion technology. This case uses air cushion technology, and that utilizes air-filled pockets or compartments within the case, which absorbs impact or shock during drops and bumps, which offers superior protection for your smartphone. This metal plate right here is not only a metal plate, but this metal plate is magnetic. But it's not very aggressive, not only from the outside, but also on the inside. Now let's see how the iPhone 14 Pro Max fits. And I think with what you're seeing right now, you can agree with me that it fits very well. It's very snug and tight. The buttons are spot on. The holes are big enough to fit my finger, and I don't have long nails. It also has an easy to slide cover that protects your camera lenses from scratches and from breaking in case of accidental drops and bumps. And lastly, the holes for the microphone, the speaker, and the charging port are just about right. Although this case is MagSafe compatible, you don't see that metal ring showing at the back of this case. Like this case right here, you can see that ring right there. And it works very well with its sleek and modern design. Now, speaking of MagSafe compatible, let's test out the strength of the magnet of this case. I have a tripod selfie stick right here, and we're gonna test the strength of this magnet. I'm just going to start shaking and see how it holds. And as you can see, I'm aggressively shaking it right now, and it's holding up. And this shaking is more aggressive compared to when your phone is mounted on a selfie stick while you're walking around, or when your phone is mounted on your dashboard while you're driving. Now, at first glance, you might think that this case is made of rubber and plastic, but it's actually made of thermoplastic polyurethane. And why is that important? A thermoplastic polyurethane material is lightweight, durable, and recyclable. So if you're looking for a sleek, modern, durable, lightweight, and a case that even protects the lenses of your phone and environment friendly, this is the Optic Armor MagSafe compatible from Spigen. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.